Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the white patch vitiligo. So we are going to make these small patches to be get covered. It's on the under neck as well as the side of the face. We are going to make these patches to be get covered. These clients come from all the way from Hyderabad, and I would like to tell you all the guys that we are doing this treatment only in Bangalore branch, not in any other branch. And not every artist or every people can able to do this treatment. It requires a special skill, so I would highly recommend the people to be book an appointment before you visit us, because we are getting a clients from all over the India and all over the world, so we would highly recommend everybody to be book an appointment before coming down. So the process of the treatment has been started now. As you can see, we are making it much more smooth progress. So it's getting covered it up with the exact skin tone. As you can see, the process is more smoother and even mingling with the exact skin tone. As you can see, you can't find any difference between a normal skin tone and this vitiligo patch color skin tone. It's matching it up with exactly. So as you can see, this process is getting more smoother and better. And in this way we are achieving a much more better output, and she's going with the clear progress of it. So on the neck part also we are doing a cover up, and it's matching with the exact skin tone. It's coming out really nice, and many of them having this doubt, I'm getting it done on my face, how long will it going to be stay? If your vitiligo is not an active condition, and if your melanin layer can able to hold this artificial ink, then it will be stays for your lifelong. You don't need to worry about it. Even if it's a face or in your body, it will be stays on your lifelong. You don't need to worry about that much. So the progress is getting much more smoother. So it's almost going to get over. We are at the end of the video. I will happy to meet you guys in my next video, and don't die nude.